So you've just put a movie on your home theater, you're going to watch it, but a few minutes into the movie you are noticing something is not quite right. You can hear the sound, but then you see the action of the lips on the actors. They don't seem to quite match up. Or maybe you can hear a gunshot, then you see the muzzle flash from the gun. Something is not quite adding up. Maybe in some rare cases you can see the action and after you hear the consequences, like maybe someone is talking but the lips don't quite match up with the sound that is coming from your speakers. This is a sound sync problem, and today I'm going to show you how to solve it using nothing but your remote control at the comfort of your own sofa right at home. So this is how you do it. So this is how you're going to go about with a problem. First, you're going to press the home button. There is a little button with the picture of a house drawn on your remote control. Just press it and you'll come to this screen. Go to right up to setup. Then at setup, you're going to scroll down and select audio. Then we are going to go right, then we go down to the very bottom to HD AV sync. Whatever value you are going to see here, just change it to 0. Maybe someone tampered with it, but whatever value it is, just change it to 0. And that's it, your problem is solved. And if you had tried to do some speaker setup over here, if you interfered with these distance measurements over here, then my friend, you need to reset your home theater. I have another video on how to reset your home theater. It's a very easy method. Even after you reset your home theater, the problem you had previously is going to go away. So I hope you learned something today from my very weak acting skills. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Any comments you might have, just post them below. I'll be happy to reply to them. So goodbye.